So I want to record this because I didn't want to forget. So one thing that I'm gonna start doing is like organizing my day. All right, organizing my day, and so organizing my day, right? So I cut everything in. Boom, boom, boom. Hold on. I was thinking about it, dude. I'm about to. So there's shit I want to learn. Like I want to learn mechanics, right? I want to learn how to do mechanics. Why? Because I'm in Turo, right? And I'm planning on doing Turo for a long time. Like I'm renting my cars, like. And I think there's potential. I think I'm gonna stick with Turo, and I'm gonna have a lot of Turos, right? So I was thinking, I'm like, yo, why don't I learn or go to school to be a mechanic? You know why? Because if I'm in this business, you know, one of the big expenses, well, right now your cars is like mechanics, you know, the car breaking down, something happens, anything can happen, really, it's a car. So if something happens, it's like, dude, that you're spending like tomorrow I gotta bring one of my cars, and it's probably gonna cost like $350 to fix. So it's like, yo, if I could be a mechanic, those things, or learn, I could eliminate them. You know what I'm saying? So I could either, but I don't think I'm going to school. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take an hour out of my day and like YouTube it, like mechanics tutorial or how to be a mechanic or same shit they teach in a school, whatever. And I'm going to take an hour out of my day and boom, learn that. Because when you go to school, well, actually you go to school for that is a lot of hours. But anyway, if you go to school, you'll be done in like a couple months, right? Well, shit. Take an hour out of your day, learn how to be a mechanic, and in 2 years, an hour a day in 2 years, I'll be a mechanic. I'll know everything. You know, 2 years, because I'm planning on doing Turo for a while. I think it's a good business. Even if I became rich, I would still do Turo. I'll just have somebody else running it, of course. But, you know, it's a good business, man. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So back to what I was saying. I'm gonna take an hour of my day, boom. This hour, I'm gonna learn how to be a mechanic. Boom, and this hour, cause like, all right, I got 24 hours in a day, right? I got 24 hours in a day, but I sleep, let's say I sleep 7, I probably sleep like 6 or 7, I don't know. Let's say I sleep on 8 of them. So the other hours I'm awake, so that's what? 8 hours, oh shit. No. 9, 10, 11, 12. Anyway, I'm gonna have a lot of hours left, put it that way. I'm gonna have a lot of hours left, so it's like, all right, and those hours I can fit in. See, cause what my problem is I feel like I'm not organized. So, you know, I want to learn a lot of shit, and I got a lot of shit to do, but I'm not organized. But if you organize, right, like how they are in school, like, yo, at this time you're gonna be at class A, this time class B, section B, bam, lunch. You know what I'm saying? Or like a job. If you treat your life like that, You get a lot of shit done. So in 1 hour, I want to learn how to be a mechanic. Boom. Take that away. 1 hour, I want to be fit. So boom, 1 hour gym. Get that out the way. And I got to pick a specific time. Like boom, morning learning. I don't know, 7 to 8. Learn how to be a mechanic. 8 to 9, boom, gym. And you keep fitting things in. You know what I'm saying? And this is me just documenting because I hope I go through with this. I want to document all this shit so I could look back and be like, yo, dang, I remember that day. Or good thing I took that advice. You know what I'm saying? I could look back at this stuff because if I don't record it, it's like it's just a memory. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Coordinate my days. This hour, at this time. 6 to 8. And I know I'm gonna get more done. Imagine that. Learning how to be a mechanic. 1 hour a day for 2 years. Why not? I'm gonna be in the business for the next 2 years. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, it makes sense. Alright, so that's all I wanted to record.